All right, hey Thad, I wanted to reach out to you real quick because for this grand prize giveaway that we're doing, hold on a second, let me kind of adjust the camera a little bit here. I'm gonna switch around and show you what we got. Darn it, let me get this camera going. There we go, working with a new gimbal. All right, so we got this is gonna be the Stallion system sitting up there. There's gonna be a mixing station going up there. It won't actually be that, it's a better one. And then there's the our water hose reel on this side. That's the Prowler system that's going inside the truck. And then in here, we've got a 100-gallon water tank. Then we got the bleach tank in the middle, 2 surfactant tanks for whoever's using it. And there'll be 2 hose reels on this side. One's going to be the let me get this back up. Pressure washing reel, and the soft wash hose reels going off this side, curbside, so they can get to the equipment. But this is the skid that we're going to be doing the giveaway for, and was wanting to know how. Well, that's a pretty pricey piece of equipment, and it's our this is actually our first skid to build like this, so it's wanting to talk to you about how we do this the giveaway, or if you want it to be the grand prize giveaway, or if I need to change a giveaway, because I want to get a lot of contacts off of this. So that's my intent, and I want it to be good for you guys too, so bring people into the show. So give me a shout after you watch this video and let's discuss. Thanks. Bye.